Hiya, I'm the RC Hunter, and today, yes, it's here. You've all been asking about this when I'm going to do the unboxing, which is on my channel a rare thing, but we're going to do an unboxing of the XK X130-T. Comes in this really nice box, really cool box, and as you know, the RC Hunter likes his boxes. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So comes with the instructions, tells you all the safety features, all the parts you can have and you can buy if you start crashing her, and in ACRO mode you'll be doing a lot of crashing, so that comes in handy. Leave the drum there for now. Bottom of here, get it out if I can. Well, it's packed tight. Here's the handset. It's a typical XK handset. The top buttons don't work. Turn it on, you've got your LCD display. No altitude hold because it's 3D 6G, so you're flying the drone yourself. Press this one, it goes into your speed. Press this one, goes into angry mode, ACRO mode. At the back it takes 4 AA batteries, and that's it. That's your handset. It's a basic handset. Right, and the drone itself comes with prop guards, which I won't be using. Comes with four props and a Diddy screwdriver, what you've all been waiting for. The XK X130-T. At the front it's got a tiltable camera so you can tilt it, which is awesome really. So like, that's pretty cool. Underneath is a battery. I took the battery out. It's a 3.7 volt 700 milliamp battery. I think I've got to point out, which is awesome about XK, what they've done about this is the motors. They're done, not soldered onto the board. What they've done is they've done plug motors, easy to replace. That's really good, that, isn't it, on me, Paul?
Very good.
And also to the frame is, I don't know if the camera can catch it, is carbon fibre. So it's all carbon fibre, which is really awesome. And for the money, I think we're on a special at the moment. I think we're on 50 quid with the discount code. I mean, for what you get, you can't go wrong. So, right then, I shall catch you all later. Ciao for now. I am back again, ARC Hunter with the XK X130-T. As you see from the video footage which I'll put in, awesome bird, so fast. I'm sorry about the ACRO, not very good at it. A bit windy, but the ACRO, when you go into angry mode, wow, she's fast. So yeah, awesome little bird. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and leave your comments down below. I shall leave a link to purchasing this with the discount code. Thanks again to RC Moments for sending me this, and I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.